Hello everyone and welcome to season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Stella Moris Prep from St. Andrew going up against Knox Junior School from Clarendon. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Knox Junior School won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we start with Knox Junior School and Bible knowledge. How old was Abraham when his son Ishmael was born?
88 years old.
Incorrect, it's 86 years old. Stella Moris, how old was Sarah, Abraham's wife, when she died?
127 years old.
That is correct. Jamaican affairs, it's a visual. This is for Knox. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Just say something.
Pamela Monroe Ellis.
Pamela Monroe Ellis.
Incorrect, it's Audrey Sewell, the cabinet secretary. Stella Moris, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Ransford Braham.
Incorrect, it's Justice Seymour Panton, the chairman of the Integrity Commission. Knox, science. What types of rocks are often the result of the accumulation of small pieces broken off from pre-existing rocks?
Sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks.
That is correct. Stella Moris, what types of rocks are crystalline solids which form directly from the cooling of magma and forms part of the Earth's crust?
Igneous rock.
Igneous rock.
That is correct. Television is a visual. This is for Knox. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Just say something.
Tashana.
Tashana.
Incorrect, it's Dijonay Jones from the Proud family. Stella Moris, look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Mike
Tyson.
Incorrect, it's Wizard Kelly, also from the Proud family. English language, Knox. Every driver on the road must obey traffic signals. What is the subject of the sentence?
Every driver on the road.
Every driver.
That is correct. Stella Moris, from the ceiling hung the light fixture. What is the predicate of the sentence?
The light fixture.
The light fixture.
Incomplete, it's hung the light fixture. Sports, it's a visual. Knox, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Phil Foden. Phil Foden.
That is correct. Stella Moris, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Grealish.
Judge? We'll go ahead and accept it. It's Jack Grealish. General knowledge. Knox. Complete the name of this wonder of the world. The hanging gardens of...
Peace. Just a piece. Peace.
Incorrect. It's the hanging gardens of Babylon. Stella Moris. Complete the name of this wonder of the world. The Great Pyramid of...
Egypt.
Incorrect. It's Giza. Social studies, Knox. What is the name for the average weather condition of an area recorded on over a long period of time?
Climate.
Correct. Stella Moris, what is the name for a person who studies weather?
Meteorologist.
Meteorologist.
That is correct. Music, Knox. Complete the title of this song by the Jamaican Jimmy Cliff. Many rivers to?
Cross.
Cross.
That's right. Stella Moris. Complete the title of this song by the Jamaican Jimmy Cliff. I Can See Clearly.
No.
That is correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Stella Moris Prep on 5 and Knox Junior School also on 5. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Try not to skip breakfast before you leave for school. Studies show that children who eat a nutritious breakfast function better. They do better in school and have better concentration and more energy. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.